Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, wake up.
I am crazy. Alright, so I got it open. I'm going to clean all this out, find a way to rig this so it's stuck back on so the birds are safe, and then hang it up again. My daughter is in a bird buddy club at school. She told me they learned that when you have a birdhouse like this, you should clean it out because they can get mites from it staying in the same. They can get the mites. So I'm just here to empty out the nest, and I'll have to build a new one, but they won't get mites. Look kind of gross in there. I don't know if I should spray it with anything, but I'm just gonna empty it. And then I'm gonna tape this back shut again and hang it up. This is not the prettiest, but I did what my daughter asked. Now I can rip it off and reuse it, and maybe I'll get a better birdhouse than this another time. Yeah, we got it rehung with this weird little duct tape thing, but still cute. So we got 4 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. Kind of heated it up, the water, and then I let it cool and use the heat to help dissolve the sugar. And I have a new one of these, but I can't find it. So we're going to put out last year's because the hummers are already out there wondering where it is. So if I find it, maybe I'll have some of this left to add to it. Put another one out. I get this just cheap Dollar Tree hummingbird feeder. One day I'll get a nice glass one, but this does the trick. And I'm gonna get my secret ingredient and we'll go hang it out. So usually I have my regular bird feeder hanging here, but in the summer I put the hummingbird one so I can sit on the porch and see it. It's a little crooked, but it works. And this is the secret ingredient. I put some like Vaseline petroleum jelly on this, so when ants climb up to try and eat it, they get stuck on the petroleum jelly. I'll show you after I get it on there. I don't know if I can show you while I'm putting it on at the same time. Let's see. Just take a big glob in my hand here. And I just spread it all around the pole. Some people get like the water well. I don't have one of them. I got this petroleum jelly at Dollar Tree. And I've done this for like 3 years. You have to clean it and redo it a few times. But it really does work to keep the ants off of it for a while. That's it.
Bye.